Buy one get one free, 14 days for 7 gigabytes. 7 gigabytes is more than enough unless you're uploading a lot of photos or watching videos online. The only downside is that I couldn't get a signal in the mountainous areas during this trip: Rocky Mountain National Park, Banff, Jasper, Yoho, Lake Louise, etc., perhaps due to a lack of base stations there. It was a bit of a hassle when searching for routes while driving. Thankfully I had downloaded Google Maps offline beforehand. Otherwise, the connection was very easy and the speed was smooth. Setup was also very simple, just scan the QR code with your iPhone, it's fantastic. Even at the original price of 800 Taiwan dollars per person, I would recommend it to my friends. I actually stayed in Canada from July 23 to August 18, a total of 29 days. It was more than enough for research, checking line messages, Facebook check-ins, and even using Google Maps for navigation. Just remember, if you want to watch videos or upload a lot of photos, you need to switch to Wi-Fi, the free Wi-Fi provided in hotels, restaurants, public places, etc. Also, the connection speed slowed down around 9.6 gigabits per second, but it was still connectable, though not as smooth as before. Overall, it was a great experience, and the buy one get one free deal was really worth it. After purchasing, all you need to do is scan the QR code sent to you by email with the smartphone you plan to use overseas, so the setup is easy. If possible, complete the setup in Japan the day before you travel and then just turn on the eSIM when you arrive, so you don't have to rush around looking for a Wi-Fi connection once you're there. However, you should consider the time difference when deciding how many days you'll be using the device. It would be better to print out the voucher or save it as a photo so you can start the trip without any hassle after arriving. I didn't have either, so I used my iPad, but if I didn't have one, it might have been a bit of a hassle. I didn't have any problems with the internet speed. I didn't know how to check the remaining balance, so I recommend looking up how to do that before you go. Very intuitive and stable, with ample data allowance so you don't have to worry about running out. It's very reassuring abroad and cheaper than roaming. You can set it up in your current location, but don't turn it on yet. Once you arrive at your destination, simply turn it on and wait about 30 seconds to 1 minute before using it. Even in the most remote town of Yellowknife, Canada, there's a signal. In the suburbs, base stations might not be widely available, so if even locals can't get a signal, we can't really blame AGD for selling substandard quality. However, one thing is certain, it's better quality than what they buy on Shopee. I missed my flight back to Japan from the US and had to change to a flight the next day, so I had to quickly purchase an extra day. The voucher was sent to me immediately after I applied, and I was able to use it immediately after scanning the QR code, turning on the line, and enabling roaming. Using 500 gigabytes per day for 7 days, the connection was very smooth and fast in San Diego and Southern California, except for Joshua Tree National Park, where there was no signal to begin with. The capacity was also more than enough for my needs. I recommend this product. I followed the instructions and scanned the QR code to install it on the day of departure. Upon arrival in Seattle, it was activated smoothly. While my fellow travelers were still frantically setting it up, I was already able to let my family know I had arrived safely. I've used eSIM on several trips, and it's been very convenient with excellent reception, unless you're in a very remote area. It's my top choice for travel communication. It saves me a lot of trouble, and I can use it immediately upon arrival in a new country. If you set it up before you leave Japan, you can use it as soon as you arrive at the local airport. The photo shows the speed in downtown Yellowknife. The hotel Wi-Fi is slow, so it's quite useful compared to that.